be showing you how to replace a drawstring in a hoodie. So this is mine. It has been a bit mangled by, I presume, the washer. So I am just going to remove and replace it. Even though this side is fine, I'm just going to pull it out. Okay. This one has been sewed, so I'm just going to get my stitch ripper and see if I can unpick it. So here we go. I have managed to take it apart. As you can see, it is out now. I'm gonna have to start this up again, but don't worry about that just now. So next what you're gonna need is some small needles and some black, well, it depends on the color of your hoodie, but mine's black, so. Okay, so I'm going to be using a 2.5. I'm using sock needles. You can use normal needles, well, double pointed needles. They have to be double pointed, but they don't have to be sock needles. I do highly recommend it though. So first off, obviously, cast on. You don't need to leave a long tail. You're gonna have to sew it in. So really, however long you find easiest to sew in. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cast on 2. Okay, that's my 2 cast on. And then what you do is you go to the other side and you knit into the first stitch you cast on, and you knit all 3, and then again move it to the other side of your double pointed needles and cast and knit the furthest from the one that you just did, and that's it. It's super simple. You just repeat this and keep knitting in the same pattern, and you'll get, as you can see, it's already kind of making a wee cord. Just knit however long. I kind of recommend about 100 centimeters, but you can reference off of your old drawstring cord if you still have it, of course. Okay, so now I have the desired length. It's really simple. All you do is cast off, and so what you do once you've cast it off is obviously sew in your ends and make a wee knot. Don't do this on both ends, so make a knot on one side, thread it through, and then knot it. I'm going to sew mine in as well as the previous one was, and so I'll just get on with it. Here you go. So this is it all sewed up and with its backing, as you can see. And yeah, this is it done. When you're doing it, if you're sewing it, make sure that you've sewed it with the string in the middle. This is what it'll look like. It's all fixed up, and yeah, here you go. So all I used was 2 double-pointed needles, my scissors, black thread, a needle, a thread needle, and my black wool. Very simple, anyone can do it, and it's a quick and easy and cheap, might I add, way of salvaging your broken drawstring. You can even do it if you just want to change the colour of them.